Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2022 Jeep Wagoneer Series 3 in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and crosspath detection, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 1,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, second row heated seats, tri-pane panoramic sunroof, 10.1-inch rear entertainment screens, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.